How to export video in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added some videos to my timeline and I want to export this timeline. Open up the Deliver page. Click on Custom Export, and set a name and location of a folder to export video into it. Make sure Single Clip checkbox is selected to export all the media in timeline. Under Video tab, check the Export Video checkbox. Change the format based on your needs. QuickTime and MP4 are great, here I use MP4. Change the codec to H.264. Change resolution to your need, here my timeline is 1920 by 1080 so I use that. Under Quality set Restrict to and put your target bitrate. If you want more quality in your video, increase this value, which results in higher file size. Also, if you want less quality in your video, decrease this value, which results in lower file size. You also can set it to automatic and, for example, set it to medium. Here I put 8000. Expand subtitle settings. If you have a subtitle here, you can burn it in your video or export it as a separate file. And change its format to SRT. Now click on the Audio tab and make sure Export Audio checkbox is checked. Set codec to AAC, data rate to your audio data rate, and sample rate to your audio sample rate. Here I use 320 and 48,000. At last, click on Add to Render Queue, then click on Render All button to export the video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.